Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be looking at the concept behind support and resistance, and how to identify key support and resistance areas. So, what is support and resistance? Support and resistance is a form of technical analysis that traders use to determine key reversal areas. These areas form when price bounces off of the same level more than once. A support level is a key area that signifies a surplus of buyers. On the contrary, a resistance level is a key area that signifies a surplus of sellers. There are a couple of factors contributing to the existence of support and resistance levels. Often, traders tend to have the same target levels. This can potentially increase demand or supply at certain price levels, time and time again. Also, say for instance there was a sell-off from a certain price point, the general consensus was that that price was too high at that price level. So, if the price reaches that same level again, the price might be considered as overbought and can trigger another sell-off. Similarly, the vice versa also holds true. If there is an increase in demand at a certain price level that drives up the price, the general consensus was the price level was very low. So if price reaches that same level for a second or even a third time, the price might be considered as oversold and can trigger another bull run. Before we talk about how to identify key levels, you should know one thing. If price breaks above a resistance level, that resistance level can potentially turn into a new support level. Similarly, if price breaks below a support level, that support level can turn into a new resistance level. So, how do we identify support and resistance levels? The easiest way to identify a key level is to first switch over to a line chart. A line chart allows you to see reversals more clearly, without the fluff of candlestick wicks, and highs and lows etc. Now, you do not want to draw support and resistance levels from the distant past. Focus on the present price action. Support and resistance levels are considered areas, as opposed to a single specific price level. Now, you need to find reversals, grouped at similar price levels, that form an invisible but yet clear key area. Here's a couple of reversal points. Now, we can derive some key areas based on the selected points. I know, this looks a bit messy. But the purpose of this video is just to identify the levels. In the next video, we will look at tips and tricks around support and resistance levels. For example, all levels are equal, but some levels are more equal than others. In other words, which levels to keep track of, and which to discard. There are a myriad of strategies derived from trading support and resistance levels. But as always, let support and resistance only be a piece in your strategy puzzle. Furthermore, as with all tools and techniques, practice makes perfect. Practice drawing support and resistance levels, and watch price action around these levels. Thanks for watching. Ciao.